Wait. If you guys want to see me eat hot Cheetos as cereal, make sure to watch this whole video, guys. Alright, let's get started. Should work. Got a bowl? Here we go. Let's see if this works. Okay, so we should treat it the same as cereal, right? I don't really want to waste these, but I mean, we have a lot, so let's just put a little in there. These are all like good ones. Where's like all the bad ones? I dropped one though. Oh, I dropped two. Honestly, we're just gonna put them in there because, well, why not? Okay, now we put the milk in. Yeah, this is going to suck. I can already tell. Whoa, the camera lighting. Did it look like that when, hold up. Well, that's what I look like. Yeah, I can tell that this is going to suck. I've seen some people do this before, along with other things. I've never really seen it done with hot Cheetos though. Oh, that looks awful. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's put these things away. Let's just... Alright, let me check if it's recording. Okay. Hang on, let's scoot back just a tiny bit.
Just go!
Okay, are you ready, Beckett?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do you want me to take the video?
Let's see what this is. Let's see how it tastes. I've never done this before.
Yeah.
Let's get it nice and soggy. Okay, hang on, let me just... Whoever's water this is, it's mine now.
That's mine.
Alright, then I'll drink mine. Okay, you ready?
Have you showed them what it is?
Yeah. Okay. Let's just get these three. These three are just eyeing me down. I gotta get them. That's two. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Becca, can you see my face?
Mm-hmm. No.
Okay.
Just do it.
Really? Okay, Becca, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1. How does it taste?
Ew. Okay, now let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of it.
Okay.
I'm getting rid of it.
Okay, so he's trying to get rid of it. Ew, I stepped on something.
Okay, let's film this. Film me getting rid of it, alright?
Okay.
Ugh.
Ew! It's like wet in the camera. Oh, whoa. Can you, like, it's kind of heavy, like my arms are so... How did it taste?
Not good. Hey, you gotta be filming my face, not the water. Okay, big thanks to my little sister for filming that. My hair is still super wet because I just washed it, but you know, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I just wanna, you know, talk about what's gonna be going on with the videos from now on. I'm gonna be posting probably Monday through Friday. For the time being, right now I don't really have anything to do other than makeup tests, and that's about it. And hang out with my family. That's pretty much all I've been doing. So I'm gonna be posting probably Monday through Friday. Maybe Saturday I might go live or something. I don't really know yet, but at this point in time, I'm still figuring out a time that works best for me. Just because I don't know. Sometimes I want to sleep in. Sometimes I don't know, sometimes it's hard, but yeah, that's pretty much going to be all of today's video. I think we might have a little bit of extra footage Okay, that is gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I hope you guys are all staying safe with whatever's going on in your state or in your country, I guess. I hope you guys all continue to stay safe and healthy, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Alright, adios, guys. Wait. I'm trying to figure out a new outro, and a new intro. But we'll figure that out. Okay.